Simbol Menteri Rangba ke Jylla ba Prestone Tingsong ulo ong ba ke sorkar Meghalaya kam shimla pinsangi ya ke projek Lynti Rel Henry ke kwa banyo ek Jingmynjur lang na baro shwa bniah chkaman uba Prestone ula banjuru ba kamat ke bakong santam Mynta ke long ke jingdawa ya ke inner line permit ni ke Ilp ke badang long ke jingkwa jongbun ki paidbah ke Jylla ulo ong ba hadien barala ban pinbet ya ke ni kaman ansala ban ya kren shapang ke projek Lynti Rel Haluar ke jingtmu ban kier sainar habaro ki jaka khapur bat ke Bangladesh ulo ong ba umpat yo jingtep ke batikna Henry ukmi Lynti ba kini ke binta kan sami ha ke jingekren ke bansawan usimbut menteri rangba ulo ong ru ba ke sorkar Jylla ke dang shingkhia yekimat ki bayade bat ke roi ke par bat ke jingshan jong ke Jylla bat ke than shetela mi barok ke
The state government respond to the ministry when it's asked about the railway? Why it's still that the state government has not seen any progress in that line?
Well, it's not only the question of stopping it about this project. In fact, what we never said that we will stop. What we are saying is we would like to carry along everybody. All the stakeholders has to be also on board. I think that is the main issue. So right now, the most important issue as of today is about the pending issue. What is the pending issue? In fact, the stakeholders, even the citizens of the state, what they wanted is number one is ILP. If that is considered, then the second subject of railway project can be discussed.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.